how to make a Twitter personality on Wordware. So just hover to your project files until you can see this Twitter personality right here. So as you can see, this input right here analyzes your tweets to determine your Twitter personality. It uses the API to use this. So for this case, let's head over and then click on this right here, and then input in here your Twitter handle. So you can also start without the app right here. So for example, let's put in here Taylor Swift. And then from this one right here, let's head over and click on this run option. Now this will run in here, and then this will scrape the tweets about this, and then this will determine your Twitter personality. So in here, just wait for this to scrape it. And once it's done, you should be able to see it. As you can see, we have now this. You're an experienced astrologer. Your job is to read the data provided below. And as you can see, it has provided us with this one. So that's how you make a Twitter personality on Wordware. We help.